welcome back to our channel again. Today guys is Sunday, so we're going to the church. As you can see, Olin is not here because Olin is there already.
And our Tomo is here already.
Tomo is here.
Get us there.
Where is he? Tomo is here. Then Olin is there because she have a catechism class, so he's there already. So today we're going to church, and don't know where our destination later. Just now finished. Look at that. Just now finished their catechism class. And see, look at it there. Too much. Zia, Ziu. So you can see that they are walking. I did not see Olin where they are now. So I think there is some function. This Olin is there already. So this is a church. So and guys, it's Dada here. Hi. Ashel, how are you? Let's go. How many laddu you eat? Two laddu.
3, 4.
I take one only.
I eat also too.
Oh my god.
You want one more? I'll take it.
Next one today is
Communion.
First Holy Communion. So guys, we're going now. Going home.
Tomo came until here.
Really?
Oh, no, there was someone here.
That's why when we go, we need to tie him. Because he's going everywhere. Did you go before? Huh?
You will make my dress dirty after.
Tama? Anymore. Don't talk anymore. Helen, what are you doing?
Electric.
Now guys, we are here in busy road going to Udupi. Actually, what we're going to do in Udupi to unwind.
We are going to buy my chappal.
Okay, chapel.
No chapel. We buy already chapel for you.
We have plenty of chapels there. You're not taking care of it.
I will buy 100 million lakh.
Okay, 100 million. You don't have luck.
You know how many zeros in 1 million?
What?
How many?
Then how you can say 1 million?
100 million lakh.
Oh, too much hot, guys. The weather.
Sweating. See, I got my kerchief already.
And then the AC is not coming there.
Ah!
Udupi. This is what gobi Manchurian. Buns and curry.
Put it in here. I have 3 puris. There's a 4.
So yummy puri. I like this one and this one. I like the most now.
I want bunch of it.
Why? It's nice. Yeah, Dada.
Chutney. These are the number chutney.
Okay, okay. Wow.
I don't want this one and this one. No. That one no. That one no. That one. No.
You just try. So yummy. Eh? Wow. Dip here in the sauce. We done eating now. So guys, we done eating in my tiffin. Already removed.
I cannot breathe.
Why?
I'm hot.
It's hot. It's hot now. What to do? Was it built already? Going to
Udupi.
this is Udupi already. We're going to
Bye.
T-Mart.
T-Mart.
Yes. How's food?
Good. Pani puri I got.
But you did not eat all. Only 2 pieces. In that 2 pieces, there is balance also.
Ayan, diba?
It's T-Mart.
Full. D-Mart is full.
Today is Sunday.
See the crowd.
What to do? Crowd is every time. It is. What? Huh? Dada. Guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye, Orlen. Bye. Orlen. Orlen.
Orlen, give me a tic-tac.
We are here now, guys, in
Tic-tac.
TikTok.
Tic-tac.
TikTok.
Tak-tak, give me tak-tak.
Give me also. Give me. Give me tak-tak. Only one. Give to the other one.
Why only one?
No, no, no. Only one.
Orlen, you are so conjuice.
What kanjus? What is kanjus means?
Conjuice means conjuice.
You're giving a little to Dada. That's why. We are now in Batakal. That is mint. Mint, that one.
Spearmint.
Spearmint. We are here now, guys, in Batakal. Look at that. Yes. Look at that. And good morning.
Good morning everyone. Today we see a frog inside in our house.
Hindi ko napatuloy yung aking vlog kahapon, guys, kasi nalobat ako.
See here. Guys, see here.
Hindi ko na continue yung aking vlog. So, ayan. Today is, today what?
Monday, Tuesday.
Tuesday. Tuesday na pala. Monday.
Today it is Monday. But
So,
first of all, 10 days holiday.
After. So, Orlen going to the school. So, Tommy is there. So, today is nice weather.
Yeah.
It is. Tomo? Tama? Ah? Come, come. Newspaper.
Mama, you know this.
Tomo.
When we come back.
Tomo. Tomo. Tomo.
He's not smiling on Sunday.
Tomo. Tomo. Okay. Shake hands, girl. Shake hands. Shake hands, girl. Shake hands. Shake hands. Okay. Other side. Other side. No. Other side. Yeah. Other side. Why? My left side.
Left side.
Other one.
Left side.
No. Right. Right. I want right.
This one.
No, right.
No.
Right. I want right.
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 Yeah. No. Yeah.
You don't know how to do right also.
He shake hand to you right. For me left. Yeah. Yeah. Shake hand, ka.
For me, you doing no.
Shake hand. Shake hand.
She can.
Yeah. Yeah.
She can. Adam, nah. No. Nah. Listen.
Let's go now, Lynn.
Listen.
She don't want to shake hand right hand. Left hand only.
This one.
Lynn, waiting. Good morning. So cloudy, Lynn. Little rain. Huh? Waiting for her bus. Yeah, Olen. So all student is walking. They're walking. Nasa ano na sila niyan? Fifth, 11 standard or 12 standard gano'n. Kasi iba na yung uniform nila. Parang kurta. Kurta nga. Yung uniform nila. Ito na si Orlin, guys.